Joining us, Ms. Ilmi. The fourth list of the Aam Aadmi Party is out. The Aam Aadmi Party says, look, we are so prepared. We've released names for all seats. Where is the BJP? They don't have a face. They don't have a leader. Arvind Kejriwal on Twitter says that the BJP's only job over the last 4 years has been to abuse the Aam Aadmi Party. How do you respond to what Arvind Kejriwal is saying?
No, in fact, the BJP has not really bothered much with Kejriwal. It is Kejriwal and all his team members who are constantly and perpetually abusing the Prime Minister and blaming all their misdeeds on others. So we all know how fond Arvind Kejriwal is of just abusing the Prime Minister, whether it's about his Prime Minister's degree or education or policies. The fact of the matter is that BJP is not accountable to Aam Aadmi Party, is not answerable to Aam Aadmi Party at all. And the very fact that Kejriwal is so desperately announcing one scheme after the other, wooing the auto walas, talking again of giving fresh schemes and more from the exchequer, from people of Delhi and the taxpayers. And just shows just how desperate he is, because he knows that the ground has slipped from under his feet. He knows that the political ground, which was so strong for him, has actually slipped and has become a slippery slope for him, and he is not going anywhere.
Ms. Ilmi, the Aam Aadmi Party is talking about first mover advantage. They're saying, look at our preparation. We have released, we have we released our fourth list. We've named all our candidates, 38 names in the fourth and final list. But when it comes to the BJP, like you saw what Arvind Kejriwal said, he says BJP is missing. They don't have a leader. They don't have any vision. Do you think any kind of sympathy factor will work in favor of the Aam Aadmi Party?
No, not at all. I think this is the very fact that Arvind Kejriwal, who used to put out his candidates in the last moment, the last day of the nomination, and how desperate he is to kind of send his list out, just goes on to show that he's extremely desperate, very jittery, and very scared. And he knows that the political ground, which was his totally for the asking, is no longer there. There are many communities who are upset. People have seen through the lies. People have seen through their MLAs. People have seen through the corruption that Aam Aadmi Party is known for. People have also seen Delhi deteriorate. Whether it's so it's like a whole lot of issues. Whether it's a Delhi Jal Nigam, whether it's a electricity discoms, what is happening. Delhi was never like this. There was always a surplus, when it came to revenue, when it came to our exchequer. For the first time, Delhi is struggling, and that's only because of the ill-begotten policies of Kejriwal and corruption, rampant corruption.
Thank you, Ms. Ilmi, for joining us. So the BJP, they're weighing in, also saying that the fact that the Aam Aadmi Party has released all its the names of all its candidates for the upcoming elections does not make any difference to them. They're working as per strategy, and Kejriwal will be rejected. Let me go across to Pratibha. Pratibha, take us through what Arvind Kejriwal is saying, because here it's Arvind Kejriwal who seems to be daring the Bharatiya Janata Party. The Aam Aadmi Party has released its fourth and final list for the upcoming elections.
Absolutely, Sagrika. Here's what Arvind Kejriwal says just moments after Aam Aadmi Party released the fourth and final list for the upcoming Delhi elections. He has taken to social media X, and here's what he says. Today, Aam Aadmi Party announced its candidates on all 70 seats. The party is contesting the elections with full confidence and full preparation. BJP is missing. They have no CM face, no team, no planning and no vision for Delhi. They have only one slogan and one policy, that is to remove Kejriwal. And he is talking about Kejriwal ko gali. Our party has a vision and a plan for the development of Delhi, he goes on to say.
All right. Let me go back to Tejshri. Tejshri, you were telling us about this list. So while the Aam Aadmi Party, on the face of it, is showcasing confidence, there is also the factor of anti-incumbency, which many political analysts are talking about. In the previous list, we saw the Aam Aadmi take a very strategic decision. The decision to, in fact, move Manish Sisodia from Patparganj and give him another constituency, while also putting Arvind Ojha, who is a newbie to the Aam Aadmi Party, in a seat that is considered to be a safe seat. But tell us about this seat. What are the new contours in the fourth list for the Aam Aadmi Party? Because many names have been repeated, especially the bigwigs.
Well, absolutely. You have rightly mentioned that many names have been repeated as far as these 38 names are concerned, and also only 2 names that are in fact in this list are new. That is Ramesh Pahlwan, who is from Kasturba Nagar, and next is Pooja Balyan, who is wife of MLA Naresh Balan, who was arrested. So that particular name is also new. So these 2 names have been introduced as new names in this particular list. Otherwise, apart from that, other names, as you said, that other names, the big faces, the key leaders,
Right.
the cabinet ministers, the chief minister, all are fighting from the same constituency. Anti-incumbency could be a factor, but it seems like Aam Aadmi Party is pretty much confident and in fact is ready to counter the anti-incumbency, because you see the candidates' name have not been even changed in this particular list. They have been repeated from the same constituency. And in fact now, in fact previous list also we saw that there was a swapping of the constituencies of Manish Sisodia and Awadh Ojha. So at that point of time also, in fact, Aam Aadmi Party has been saying that the work Manish Sisodia did in his old constituency, same work he'll be doing in the new
because we also
constituency.
have political analyst Akashdeep Muni joining us on the phone line. Mr. Muni, the Aam Aadmi Party is talking about first mover advantage, while the BJP says the Aam Aadmi Party this time will not be able to make any impact in the capital, because the BJP at this point of time is trying to break its 25-year-old losing streak when it comes to Delhi Assembly elections. Yeah.
See, fortunately this year as well, BJP won't be able to break its 25-year-old legacy of losing in Delhi. Why? Because there is nothing that BJP has brought on the platter apart from arresting the senior leaders of Aam Aadmi Party. They've arrested everyone, but still they haven't been able to tell that what they are going to give the people of Delhi if they are elected.
Okay.
If tomorrow BJP gets elected, what they will be giving? Will they be giving free electricity, free water supply, good roads, good education, good health care? No, they don't have these things on their platter.
Okay.
Till now, there is not a single chief minister candidate announced. Why they are, I don't know. If anybody would have been intelligent in their team, they would have by now announced the chief ministerial candidate who will be fighting with Arvind Kejriwal.
All
but
right.
They haven't.
All right. So where is the BJP CM face? That's the question asked by political analysts and also Arvind Kejriwal, the convener of the Aam Aadmi Party. To respond to that allegation, we have Manjinder Singh Sirsa of the Bharatiya Janata Party joining us. Mr. Sirsa, the Aam Aadmi Party says हमारे पास फर्स्ट मूवर एडवांटेज है, हम बहुत ज्यादा प्रिपेयर्ड है, इसलिए हमने सारे नाम डिक्लेयर कर दिए और भारतीय जनता पार्टी के पास ना फेस है ना विजन है. कैसे रिस्पॉन्ड करेंगे आम आदमी पार्टी के एलिगेशंस पर?
देखिए, why are they so concerned about us? Because they feel threatened from Bharatiya Janata Party. Have they discussed Congress on this issue? No, because they have no threat from Congress. उनको लगता है कि बीजेपी वापस सत्ता में आने वाली है, बीजेपी पहली बार रिकॉर्ड तोड़ मतों से जीतेगी. अरविंद केजरीवाल जी की एंटी इनकम्बेंसी, अरविंद केजरीवाल जी की करप्शन, टूटी सड़कें, गंदा पानी, गंदी हवा, गंदी यमुना, लोग त्राई त्राई कर उठे हैं, गंदे हॉस्पिटल, इलाज नहीं हो रहा, बीमार किया जा रहा, दिल्ली बीमार, दिल्ली के लोग बीमार, अरविंद केजरीवाल माला माल. So that is the single agenda of Arvind Kejriwal. Now he has been exposed. That is the reason he is forced to change his candidates. अब बताइए, दिल्ली के उप मुख्यमंत्री इतने डर के अपनी सीट छोड़कर भागे. मुझे तो लगता है अरविंद केजरीवाल भी छोड़कर भागे तो कोई बहुत बड़ी बात नहीं होगी.
पर सिसर जी, इस बार भारतीय जनता पार्टी क्योंकि स्ट्रैटेजी के तहत, अगर जो बीजेपी के लीडर्स है वो कहते हैं कि स्ट्रैटेजी के तहत हम पूरी तैयारी से आएंगे और आम आदमी पार्टी डजंट हैव टू बॉदर अबाउट व्हाट द बीजेपी इज डूइंग, बट व्हेन इट कम्स टू द क्वेश्चन ऑफ द सीएम फेस, हु इज द बीजेपी possibly going to, portray as a strong challenger against Arvind Kejriwal in Delhi?
फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल ये अरविंद केजरीवाल की स्ट्रेटजी हो सकती है कि उसको सत्ता पे खुद बने रहना. हमारी पार्टी के अंदर 70 के 70 जो कैंडिडेट लड़ेंगे वो सभी सीएम बनने के काबिल है. ये अरविंद केजरीवाल जी की अपनी घर की पार्टी है जिसमें उनके अलावा कोई बन नहीं सकता, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल. सेकेंडली, जो उन्होंने अभी कह रहे हैं वेलफेयर स्कीम्स, ये जो वेलफेयर स्कीम है ये पब्लिक वेलफेयर स्कीम्स हैं. ये कोई अरविंद केजरीवाल जी अपनी जेब से दे रहे हैं. पार्टी बीजेपी भी पब्लिक वेलफेयर स्कीम इनसे ज्यादा पब्लिक को देती हैं. हम तो लेडीज के लिए 2100 रुपया बहनों को भी देते हैं. अरविंद केजरीवाल ने तो झूठ बोला, 2 बार दिया नहीं अभी तक. अभी उनको डरे हुए हैं, इसलिए ऐसी ऐसी बातें कर रहे हैं.
Okay, डरे हुए हैं. That's the charge coming in from the BJP. Thank you so much, Mr. Sirsa, for joining us. So the battle for Delhi is getting fierce. The Aam Aadmi Party says that we've released names for all the seats. All names have been declared. Our fourth list is out. We have the first mover advantage. The Bharatiya Janata Party says this time Arvind Kejriwal has no chance. We'll tell you more about that taking a short break.